Hello guys, we have multiplying decimals 7.314 multiplied by 100. Then we have choices A, B, C and D. We'll see which one is correct. When you're multiplying a decimal number by a power of 10 like 100, 1000, you don't need complex math. You just move the decimal point. Look at the 100. It has 2 zeros. That means we need to move the decimal to the right 2 steps. Okay, so let us see 1 0 2 0. So we'll move this decimal here 1 step and another step, 2 places. So the answer will be 731.4, which is D. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel for more videos, leave a comment, and thank you for watching.